बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम ग्रेड 8। I am your Pak Studies teacher. Today is 16 June 2020 and the day is Tuesday. From today we will start geography. In geography we will start chapter number 1. Now open page number 6. Page number 6, chapter number 1, maps and diagrams. Today we will study from here reading. Earlier in grade 6 we have learned maps as tools of geographers. In fact, maps and diagrams are important in everyday uses as well as for scientific learning. There are several types of maps and diagrams. Here we first learn some properties of distribution maps and then take up making of some simple diagrams. Number 1 is distribution maps. A distribution map shows distribution of a commodity, product or occurrence over a specified area. जैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैप क्या है, किसी भी चीज़ की अक्रंस को जाहिर करती है किसी भी ख़ास एरिया में. जैसे कि चावलों की पैदावार है, राइस प्रोडक्शन कौन से रीजन में हो रही है, कितनी हो रही है. द कमोडिटीज़ इंक्लूड वीट, राइस, कॉटन, गोल्ड, आयरन, टिन एट्सेट्रा. द प्रोडक्ट्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड गुड्स लाइक क्लॉथ, yarn, यूटेंसिल्स, मशीनरी, मेडिसिन्स एट्सेट्रा. प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं मैन्युफैक्चर्ड गुड, जो तैयार चीज़ें हैं उनको बोलते हैं. अक्रंसेस इंक्लूड डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, यील्ड पर एकड़, रेनफॉल, टेम्परेचर एंड मच मोर. देयर आर 3 थिंग्स: commodity, manufactured goods, commodity, products and occurrence. And here shows the difference between these. Distribution maps are useful for general assessment of an area. Such maps sometimes give comparisons between areas. More importantly, distribution maps are useful for geographic studies like causes and effects of an incident. One simple example from our areas is distribution of rainfall in summer months and occurrence of malaria in a district. This incidence is related to warm damp weather. Now what is dot method? Dot method is a much simple method of showing distribution of commodities and products in a given area. The outcome of this method gives us a dot map that displays distribution of a commodity or product. As per its geographic location, a map showing towns and cities of a country is simply a dot map. Here we look at the use of dot method in maps. Example, a dot map. The given data in table 1.1 relates to 1998 population of 3 districts of Pakistan, namely Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur and Rahim Yar Khan. Number 1 is district Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur, Rahim Yar Khan. Number 2 is population 20,61,447, 24,33,091, 31,41,053. Density of population is 232 persons per square kilometer of Bahawalnagar. Bahawalpur is 98 and Rahim Yar Khan has 264. Now look at the map. Distribution of population according to 1998 census, Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur and Rahim Yar Khan districts. Here shows dot map method. According to dot map method, here shows this information. Of Bahawalpur, Bahawalnagar and Rahim Yar Khan's. Now, brief study. There is a concentration of dots on the northern side of the three districts. The dots are further away towards the middle parts, while these have much space in between towards the southern borders. This distribution of dots is a true illustration of the density here. We know river Sutlej flows along the northern side of the three districts. Lands on this side are irrigated through canals. Canals जो दरियाओं से छोटे छोटे निकाले जाती हैं नहरें. On the other hand, on the southern side of these districts lies the Cholistan desert. Simple enough. More people live in the northern part, while population in the southern part is scanty. Why? Because there is less water in deserts. Understand? So more people live in northern side because there is huge reserves of water due to Sutlej river. Choropleth method. Choropleth method is used to show distribution in general over a specified area. In other words, its data primarily relates to physical phenomena such as climate or human characteristics such as population density. The choropleth method is based on the use of different shades of the same color. In this method, a range of data is assigned a shade or pattern in rising order. Hence, a low range is given light shade, whereas a higher range gets dark shade. And lower range given light shade. Sometimes in place of shades, varying patterns of lines are used to illustrate the differences. Let us glance at maps employing choropleth method for population density of the above known areas. Choropleth map. The available data in 1.1 gives population percentage per square kilometer in column 3. Here a set of 7 varying shades with an interval of 50 covers the whole sample as indicated below. Number 1 up to 50, number 2 51 to 100, number 3 101 to 150, number 4 151 to 200, number 5 200 to 250, number 6 251 to 300 and number 7 301 to 350. The resultant map 1.2 illustrates the varying population percentage of the three districts. Here shade 2 is the Bahawalpur, shade 5 is the Bahawalnagar and shade 6 is for Rahim Yar Khan. 2 is for Bahawalpur, 5 is for Bahawalnagar and 6 is for Rahim Yar Khan. So, look at this map. This is choropleth map where shades are used to illustrate the population of these districts. Distribution of population 1998 in Rahim Yar Khan, Bahawalpur and Bahawalnagar districts. Distribution maps are useful for three purposes. Number 1 is distribution maps provide specific information about particular location. एक ख़ास किस्म की लोकेशन के बारे में ख़ास किस्म की मालूमात मुहैया करती है. They provide general information about spatial patterns. Spatial patterns के according general information provide करती है. They are suitable to compare pattern or on two or more maps of a given area. Thank you.